Today, a curious explorer discovers sun prints using light-sensitive paper and the natural silhouettes of leaves. They gather sun print paper, assorted leaves, a shallow tray, bright sun, and a bit of water for rinsing. Steps are simple. Place leaves, expose under sun for a few minutes, rinse until blue silhouettes appear, then dry. The science shows a photochemical reaction in UV light that darkens iron compounds, creating vivid blue outlines. This playful fusion of art and science invites further questions about light, time, and nature's hidden pathways.